General Science and Ability paper is a very technical and a highly scoring subject. Make sure you make the best of it. General Science portion carries 60 marks and General Ability is of 40 marks. In the General Science portion, you need to be precise and relevant with your answer. For example, if you are asked to answer a 5-mark question, then you merely need to write 5 to 6 different relevant and coherent points. Try and give answers in bullet form in General Science Ability paper. For instance, as in 2016 paper, they asked a question on artificial intelligence. Your answer should look like, what is artificial intelligence? You have to define it with a proper definition. When did it start to evolve? Mention any famous scientist, dates, names, etc. Where is it used? That means you have to told about what are the recent trends, how can it be improved, what is its future. As I mentioned earlier, try to answer the WH questions: what, when, where, how, what ought to be. Aspirants should be good at drawing. Always try to make diagrams, graphs, etc. wherever necessary. Always remember being precise, since time management is the key in this paper. Many candidates spend too much time in General Science portion that they miss out one question from General Ability. The General Ability portion can fetch you good marks, as most of the mathematical and analytical questions carry solid marks. This portion comprises quantitative ability, reasoning concepts, and ability to reason quantitatively and solve problems in a basic mathematical skills, basic arithmetic, algebra, and geometry, that are average, ratios, rates, percentages, quantitative settings, angles, triangles, sets, remainders, equations, symbols, rounding of numbers, random sampling, and ability. Logical reasoning includes the process of using a rational, systematic series of steps based on sound mathematical procedures and given statements to arrive at a conclusion. Analytical reasoning or ability includes visualizing, articulating, and solving both complex and uncomplicated problems and concepts, and making decisions that are sensible based. Reasoning ability, analytical reasoning or ability include visualizing. Analytical reasoning or ability includes visualizing, articulating, and solving both complex and uncomplicated problems and concepts, and making decisions that are sensible based on available information, including demonstration on the ability to apply logical thinking to gathering and analyzing information. Mental abilities, skills that measure specific constructs such as verbal, mechanical, numerical, and social ability. Aspirants are advised to practice general ability. Mental abilities, skills that measures specific constructs such as verbal, mechanical, numerical, and social ability. Aspirants are advised to practice general ability portion as much as possible. It will spare time for you, which you can utilize in the General Science portion. In my opinion, consult howstuffworks.com and www.khanacademy.org, as it is a good website for General Science Ability. Watch more and more videos of geometry, math, biology, and various other topics. And please never rely on your skills and background knowledge, since this is the only paper in which you can make a lot of difference with others. and never plan half but always be fully prepared. And one thing you must be doing in next hour is the installation of Encarta encyclopedia in your computer or laptop. Pick a subject and discover each and every fact of the topic. The book that covers the complete syllabus, such as General Science and Ability, written by Mia Shafiq, Test of Reasoning by Edgar Thorpe, and GRE's books for General Ability portion. Along with reading books, make sure that you make bullet notes for revision purposes and for MCQs. In a nutshell, the key to the success in this exam, you have to manage your time properly, stay relevant and be precise in your answer.